The REVAMP study stands for Recording and Evaluating Activity in a Modified Park. So we became aware that Brimbank Park was going to refurbish their playscape area. So we realised this was an ideal opportunity to conduct a natural experiment to examine the impact of the park refurbishment on park visitation and park-based physical activity.
So it was going to be really interesting to see what changed with the improved play space.
After the park was refurbished, there was a significant increase in visitation at Brimbank Park and a decrease at the control park at the same period of time. In this study, Deakin University worked in partnership with Parks Victoria, Brimbank City Council, the Victorian Health Promotion Foundation and City West Water.
So we wanted to gain a real understanding of people who do use the park and who do enjoy the park, but also about people who don't use the park and why they're not using the park.
We used multiple measures to ensure that we could capture the different types of users in the park. We observed that most of this increase was due to an increase in the actual playscape area itself.
Less than a third of Australians are regularly active to benefit their health. So this research will really help to inform how we can design parks better into the future to engage local people in using parks to benefit their health.
This study shows that parks, and refurbishing parks in particular, is one way of helping us to achieve active living communities.